Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Недачина. On Thursday and Friday, the following macroeconomic events that might affect the situation in currency markets will see the light of day. On Thursday, New Zealand will report on its GDP change for the first quarter of 2015. Economists expect a slowdown in growth rates to 0.7% in comparison with the third quarter of the same year. In the third quarter, New Zealand's GDP increased by 0.9%, up by 0.6% from the reading logged in the second quarter. Analysts had anticipated a 0.8% growth. In annual terms, the GDP grew by 2.3% in September quarter, down by 0.1% from the second quarter figure. On Thursday, as well, the Bank of England will announce its interest rate decision for March. Experts do not expect any changes in the rate that makes up 0.5%. At the February meeting, the Bank of England stood pat on its benchmark rate, keeping it at the record low of 0.5% set in March 2009. The decision coincided with the experts' forecasts. Besides, the regulator downgraded its macroeconomic outlooks. Inflation is projected to be at the level of 1.2% in the first quarter 2017, against 1.5% reported earlier. British earnings are expected to increase by 3%, down from the previous forecast of 3.75% rise. GDP is anticipated to grow by 2.2% in 2016, down from 2.5% announced in November. On Friday, Statistics Canada will unveil its inflation data for February 2016. Analysts predict that the CPI edged up by 0.2% on a monthly basis. In January, prices grew by 0.2% compared with the preceding months after 0.5% deflation a month earlier. Economists had predicted a zero change. In annual terms, consumer prices climbed by 2% after a 1.6% rise in December. Food and housing prices increased in the given period. Meanwhile, textile and transport costs dropped in comparison with the previous months. In addition to these events, on Thursday, Australia will publish its employment statistics. The Swiss National Bank will announce its key interest rate and release its statement during a press conference. The United States will disclose its weekly report on unemployment claims and Philadelphia and Fed Manufacturing Index data. On Friday, the Bank of Japan will publish its recent monetary policy meeting minutes. Canada will reveal its retail sales data. The United States will end the trading week with a preliminary report on consumer sentiment. It was Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Недачина. Stay tuned with us.